Hey friends, today we are going to continue our work with decoding and reading multisyllabic spellings of the sounds j, s, and k. Ready? We have 3 rules that we are going to continue to follow. Remember that the sound j, or the sound that J makes, can be spelled with a G, a J, or the letter combination D, G, E. The sound that an S makes, S, can be spelled with a C, an S, or 2 S's. And the sound that a K makes, K, K, can be spelled with a C, with a K, with a CK, or a CH. I've put those rules up here for us to follow along as we practice a little bit. As we read these 6 words, what I would like you to do is see if you can identify the sound as I read the word. Then I'm going to pause and I will tell you which letter makes that sound. Circle. Here the C makes the S sound. Pack. Here the 2 letters CK make the K sound. Schedule. S makes the S sound. King. King. Here, just the letter K makes the K sound. Judge. Ooh, we have 2 in this word. Here, the letter J makes the J sound. And then at the end of the word, j, is also made by D-G-E, judge. Lastly, I have the word general. Here I have the same sound, j, but made with just the G sound. Or I'm sorry, just the letter G. Teachers make mistakes too. All right, are you ready to practice on your own? With your learning guide, what I would like you to do is to read each of these words and do the same thing that I just did. See if you can read the word and then identify or find which letter or letters makes those 3 sounds, j, s, or k. Ready? Pause this video and then come on back to check your work. All right, friends. Are you ready to check your work? Let's see how you did. In the word voice, C makes the S sound. In the word echo, CH makes the K sound. Silence has just the S to make the S sound. Same in the word slim. It just has the letter S. Keeping with the S sound, I have the word pencil. Here, the C makes the S sound. Same thing for grass. Here, the S sound is made by the 2 S's. The last sound in this column of words is K, K for ticket. Here, the letters CK make up this sound. In the word ridge, I have the letters D, G, E that make up that J sound, ridge. CH in K, K, character make up the K sound, K, K. Page, just the letter G makes up the J sound, J. The same sound is made in the word edge with the letters D, G, and E. And lastly, the same sound, J, in Japan is made just with the letter J. You guys have had some great practice today with the sounds J, S, and K. I would like you to continue with today's coursework with the decodable readers underneath our instructions on the module page. Great job today, friends!